Hello guys. Welcome back to Blender Point. I have a very exciting news for you fellow Blender enthusiasts. Today I would like to show you a major update that is going to be available to all of you on Blender Market pretty soon. So, this video is all about the upcoming release of Buddycode 2.0 will now soon have its own code interpreter that is capable of automating the complete process of planning the workflow of the code, writing codes, executing, checking for errors, re-evaluating, and rewriting codes for you. Also completely locally. Here what you see is a real-time demo of what is to come, and also how fast it is using local large language models. You do not believe me? Watch the complete video and see it happen in real time. I'm using NVIDIA RTX 3050 4GB laptop graphics card with Intel i5 core and using Microsoft's Phi 3 as the large language model. My observation after watch the agent work was that it is so fast and efficient. I would urge you to watch the complete and uncut demo and share, like and subscribe. Also please leave your comments below. I would love to hear from you guys what you think of it. Alright, check out the complete demo. See you next time.